Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. So we are currently at 219 subs, so many thanks so much to subscribe recently, because yeah, we've been growing pretty quick, which is pretty good. I'm happy, I'm impressed. But anyways, enough of that. Today we are going to be shrinking the solar system down. So basically, if we zoom out here and then if you hold the control key, and then left click and highlight all of them, and then let go, and then go to this power option here, and then press this show more. You can see right here it says, where is it? There's a lot of things here. Yeah, this button here, shrink system. So we are going to be doing that. So let's slow down time a lot, because we also don't want to go too fast, so we'll miss the action. So let's put it down to about 19 seconds. Let's pause the simulation, and now let's shrink. So if I hit shrink once, you can see at the orbits, we'll put the orbits option on here as well. We'll see that the orbits are all shrinking in size. So as you can see, all of the inner planets are getting a lot closer to the sun, but obviously they're not hitting it. So we're going to continually spam this. And as you can see, a lot of the planets are getting really, really close together now. As you can see, if we go to Mercury here, we can pretty much see Jupiter right there. If we just turn off the orbits, we can see Jupiter there. We should be able to see some. Then we see Venus as well. We see Earth. There's Earth, Saturn. It's like we can see a lot of stuff. We can even see Uranus and Neptune. If you just look, see the little blue dots there. But anyways, let's make this even more crazy. Let's do it even more. This is going to be crazy. All the planets are going to get like heated up to ridiculous temperatures. But oh well. Actually, the sun will tear Mercury apart at this rate. But yeah, that's that. So now even planets like Planet 9 are actually going to get plenty of sunlight. As you can see, Planet 9 is in perfect sunlight near. Or here I should say, and also Sedna as well. So if we go to Sedna, my custom Sedna. So obviously I'm in my custom simulation as per usual, but yeah, we go custom Sedna, custom Planet 9. They are all pretty close to the sun, but if we go to the real danger zone right here, yeah, all these guys aren't going to survive. There's no way. Like, Jupiter is literally just there. And do you know what? To make it even more fun, should I add the moons? Actually, no, I don't want to add the moons, because yeah, that wouldn't be a good idea, because we don't want all the tiny little ones. Because obviously, no, if you didn't know, Jupiter has tons of little asteroid moons, which are, yeah, they'll just make the simulation slower, so we don't want to do that. Anyways, let's go in a little more to the point where Mercury is literally so close to the sun. As soon as I hit play, it's pretty much going to get torn apart. But as we can see, Jupiter, Saturn, they're all in very close proximities to each other. We can literally just see Earth from Saturn right there. And if we turn around, Uranus and Neptune are very close to each other as well. Where's good old little Pluto? We see Eris there as well. So let's go to Pluto as well. So if we go here, it's nice and bright here. Can we see Eris as well? No, we can't actually. Interesting. But if we look here, this isn't good. So if we just see all this. So let's go into trails. Okay, look how far everything's been pulled in from the original place. So Planet 9 used to be all the way over here. If you can see my mouse there. Sedna used to be here. And see, they've all been dragged inwards to the very inner part of the solar system. So let's get Earth, for example. Or actually, no, I don't need that, actually. So Earth is usually this distance here from the sun. This is how close everything is. Sedna is closer than Mercury is to the sun normally. So, yeah, this is going to get pretty insane. So let's put the time down to really, really slow. So let's go to about almost real time. Let's go to about 1 second a second. So 1.14, that's enough. So let's start this. Let's go all the way to Mercury, since Mercury will probably be destroyed first. And probably Earth as well. The sun will probably tear him up. So let's go and hit play. And as we can see, Mercury's temperature's heating up. We can look at Earth as well, 50 degrees already. We can also look at Saturn here. Saturn's warming up. Jupiter as well. Venus is going to get very, very hot. As we can see here, it's already going to go to 2,000 degrees, which is crazy. Oh, look at little Vesta here. Or even Vesta's heating up. And Vesta absorbs all of the light it receives. So Vesta's going to get very hot, because if it absorbs all the light it receives, then it's going to be hotter than Venus. It probably will be hotter than Venus. Which it will be. It'll be a whole 1,000 degrees hotter than Venus, which is crazy. Even little old Mars here is heating up as well. We haven't seen much of Mars. How about the ice giants? They're not really ice giants anymore. They're going to melt into, like, water giants. Or not even water. They'll go into, what's the... steam. Yeah, steam. That's the water when you... I'm bad at chemistry, I'm sorry. But, yeah, that's that. So, let's speed up time a little more. Let's stay with Earth for a bit as well, just to keep an eye out. So as we can see as well, the North Pole's melted, the South Pole's melted, so all we've got left is Antarctica, and then the North Pole's completely gone. Because if you didn't know, The South Pole actually has solid land below, which is Antarctica. Like, that's real land. But the North Pole is all just ice. So, yeah, there's no land on the very North Pole of the Earth. Because everyone always thinks, I think, Greenland is the North Pole. But it isn't, because the North is right here. But anyways, enough of me babbling along about probably rubbish. I don't even know if I'm saying that properly. I don't know my facts on Earth. I'm not the best at geography. But, yeah, let's speed up more. And I think Mercury's going to get torn up any second now, surely. Yeah, it's going. Look, Mercury's being torn up. Oh my god, it's getting hot. 4,000 degrees. And it's still heating up. That's crazy. It's not even at 4,000 yet. If it was at 4,000, it'd be white or like yellow. Really, really yellow. It's still orange. How's Jupiter doing? Jupiter's... Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh, Earth is evaporating, if we can see there. Let's pause it again so we can see everything. There's a lot of stuff going on here, so we really need to keep an eye out. Look at Mars. Not a very cold planet anymore. Alright, also Venus as well. Oh, let's check Ceres. I don't see much of Ceres. Ceres is still in the minuses. Wow, how much? Oh, that's why. If you look here, albedo 99%. That means it reflects 99% of the light it receives. So only 1% of the light it is receiving from the sun, it actually like warms it up. So yeah, Ceres is going to probably be one of the coldest objects in the system now. So there's Earth again. Let's check on Venus. Yeah, Venus is really hot. How's Vesta doing? Let's check out Vesta. Oh, Vesta's warming up. It's glowing now. Let's just check out the further objects out, like Sedna. How's Sedna doing? Okay, so Sedna and Planet 9 as well. Yeah, these guys are still very cold. Sedna reflects quite a lot of light as well. About these dwarf planets here. They still look pretty decent. How's Pluto doing? Still minus 103. Okay. We just need to advance time a little more. Iris, what about Make, or Make if you're American. I think that's the way you guys say it. But about Orcus as well. Still okay. So how about Uranus and Neptune are in the hundreds as well. So it looks like all the dwarf planets, because they reflect a lot of light, they're going to warm up a lot slower. And obviously Planet 9 is quite far away as well, so it's more of in a safe zone. So if we go into the sun's zone as well, everything is inside, like even closer than the red zone is. Planet 9's in the red zone, but yeah, that's that. Everything's in a very dangerous spot right now. So let's go and hit play again. And let's go back to Mercury, because Mercury's going to be destroyed first. How about Venus? Is Venus going to get torn up? Oh yeah, Venus is going. Okay, how about Earth? Is Earth going to get torn up? I think it will. It should do. So if we look on the north of Earth here. Don't know why there's grass still there. I don't know. Is it because climate? Okay, I don't know why there's grass still on it. Wait, I don't want to land there. No. Land here. That's better. Alright, now if we look down. Oh, we see Andromeda Galaxy there. You didn't see that. Alright, so if we look at Mercury in the daytime, well, the sky, I should say. Alright, so as we can see, it's a very, very close, like, we're on the surface of Earth right now. Just look at the mayhem of the surface of Earth as well. We see Ceres there. Anything else? Okay, looks like all the other planets on the other side of the sun right now. So let's hit play again. So you can see Mercury's fragments are all being torn up there. So let's go out of Earth again. Oh, Jupiter's right there. How did I not spot that? Okay, so Venus. Is Mars being torn up? Mars Mars is okay. Okay, let's speed up a little bit more now. Okay, so yeah, Mercury's definitely being destroyed. Definitely Venus as well. Surely, the sun's just shredding them. Now if we go into this chart as well here, as we can see, there's a lot of smoke going. What am I saying smoke? A lot of like or mass being torn apart. So Venus and Mercury, but not Mars. So that's interesting. Alright. Oh wait, Earth is... Wait, is that Earth? Wait, is Earth losing parts? Oh, Earth's going. Oh, that's not good. Obviously, because the closer you are, the quicker you'll be torn apart. So, I'm assuming Mars will be torn up as well, because Mars is still very close to the sun. Like, if we go to the north here, look how large the sun is in the sky. Like, it covers half the horizon, or half the sky. So, yeah, all of the inner planets are pretty much going to be torn up. I don't know about Ceres, though. So, that's going to be interesting. Oh, Ceres is heating up into the positives now. Okay. Wow, just look at all of these clouds, I should say. I don't even know. Oh, it's because that was from Mercury. It's probably silicate or iron particles, I'm assuming. Alright, so poor old Earth's being torn up now. Yeah, if we were still living here, I'm pretty sure we'd be having a very rough time right now. So how's Saturn? Okay, Jupiter and Saturn still haven't... It says their surface temperature is 1,900, but they haven't even heated up yet, which is interesting. I don't know why that is. If I reloaded it, the simulation, it probably would. But yeah, we'll just leave it. Wow, even... chart. I'm not going to say it. I can never pronounce this one, but yeah, even this one here, even that's like starting to like smoke up a bit. I'm just going to call it smoking. It's just easier. Or just say, I'll just call it evaporating. I don't know. Oh, Pluto as well. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's speed up. Okay. Let's speed up a lot more now. Or is Vesta? Oh, Vesta is as well. Okay, I reckon we'll lose all of the inner, or all of the objects from the inner solar system, except Ceres. Ceres seems to be doing okay right now. So that's interesting, because obviously I think Vesta's closer than Ceres. Let's check the orbits quick. Yeah, Vesta is closer than Ceres, but Ceres is getting to its closer point to the sun now, so that could be interesting. Okay, let's get out of there again. Wow. I really should put Do Not Disturb on my iPad. Alright, so, in fact, let's do that right now. Don't want that going off again. Alright, please. There we go. Alright, sorry for that disturbance, guys, but anyways, let's check up on Earth. Oh my god, look at all of the fragments. Okay, does Mercury even still exist? Or is it gone? Okay, Mercury does still exist. And it's very, very small. So Mercury, you can still see that the textures to it. That's weird. You can see the craters there, but it's only 99 kilometers in size. If we compare it to what it used to be, yeah, that's how big it should be. So yeah, Mercury pretty much no longer exists anymore. So yeah, that's kind of sucks. So Mercury. So okay. Oh wow, Earth as well. Oh, and Venus probably. So let's check on Earth, Venus. Oh, Venus has already been reduced to a tiny little asteroid. So how's Mars doing? Is Mars bigger than Earth? I don't think it is. Oh, it is. No, Mars is bigger. Earth's only 599 kilometers, or in radius. Mars is 1,900. So okay, Mars is still a lot bigger, but it probably will still be destroyed in the end. So there's Vesta as well. Okay, Jupiter and Saturn are getting closer. Looks like, wow, they could change their orbits. Actually, those orbits could change. And then also the outer objects. Oh, they're heating up as well. 300 degrees here. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is a pretty cool idea. Actually, I don't think anyone else has ever done a video on this as well, which is pretty cool. Tell me if someone has, but I haven't seen anyone else do this before, which is pretty cool. And obviously, guys, there's also, if you didn't see there was an option to expand the solar system to make it larger. So if you want me to do that, please tell me. Oh, here we go. Saturn's now heating up. You can see it's starting to get hot, and Jupiter as well. Also, Uranus is already hot. Wow. Okay. What about Neptune? Where's Neptune? Where's my favourite planet at? Okay, Neptune's hot as well. Okay, so all of the objects from Neptune inwards are all gonna be very, very hot after this. Okay, let's speed up time a lot more now. Let's keep the orbits open so we can see how the orbits are changing. Okay, so Saturn, Jupiter. Okay, they're both at similar temperatures, and then the inner stuff. Yeah, it's pretty much crazy. If we go to the chart mode now, and zoom in on where Earth is, yeah, they're smaller than the dwarf planets. Now here is Mars, so they're smaller than Pluto and Eris. So yeah, these are no longer planets; they're just dwarf planets because they're so small. Where is Earth? Earth. Please? Okay, there's all the fragments. Okay, oh, there's Earth. And you can still see the continents. That's weird. They're all like blacked out. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so we have, yeah, Earth is pretty much no longer a planet. It's just a tiny little rock now. So yeah, that's that. So let's speed up a lot more. So the inner stuff's all gone, and Mars is still being, yeah, Mars is going down now. So the closest planet to the sun is now Jupiter. Because I don't know where is Ceres. Okay, Ceres is still here. Oh, Ceres has got smaller as well, I believe. But if we zoom in on Ceres here, if we just compare it to its original size as well, just for a quick comparison. So Ceres is, yeah, Ceres has lost mass because that's how big it should be. So, okay, that's interesting. All right, so let's hit play again. Okay. Okay, the orbits are staying pretty stable right now. It's because the sun, they're so close to the sun that the sun has pretty much full control over them. Like even Jupiter or Saturn won't change the orbits too much. Because usually if you watch like other videos of mine, you'll see that the gas giants, mainly Jupiter, will basically throw out all the other planets in the system. But because we're so close to the sun has pretty much got full control over everything, which is pretty interesting. Okay, how's Mars doing? Okay, Mars is pretty much no longer a planet either, so yeah, that's that. So Ceres, is Ceres getting smaller or not? Okay, it looks like Ceres is stuck at 382, so maybe Ceres is in the safe zone. Because it is a okay distance from the sun, I guess. Like, Mars was here, you can see the red line, or the orange line. So it's quite a decent gap there, so obviously that's probably a safe zone, so yeah, that's that. Okay, so let's keep an eye on the further away object. So let's check out Pluto. Okay, so Pluto hasn't lost any size, but it's losing material, but its radius has not decreased. It's usually that value there, 1186. How's Make doing? Okay, so yeah, all of the objects are pretty much getting heated up. How's Planet 9? Oh, Planet 9's hot as well, 120, and Sedna. Oh, Sedna's escaping from the sun. It's getting further away. Well, Planet 9 will be as well. So yeah, they got the most safe orbits out of all the objects here. Notice we got this one here, 2007 70R10. Yeah, that's quite far as well. Okay, there's Eris as well. Okay, Let's speed up time a lot more, and let's do this. We don't want to speed up too much, otherwise we'll miss what's happening. So, yeah, all these fragments are just, yeah, they're finished. Then poor little Mars. Oh, it's so small and cute. It's like all like greyed out. That's weird. That's pretty cool, actually. You can see like that used to be red, but now it's like that. It's pretty interesting. You can't even add an atmosphere to it. There's no atmosphere option here. Oh, that's pretty cool. In fact, you know what, to make things even more crazy, let's add Saturn's rings. If things get too crazy, I'll remove them. But yeah, let's do that. So let's hit play again. And yeah, I knew that would happen, but might as well make it look even cooler. Look at that. It's so close to the sun and all the other planets that its rings have just been torn away. So now we've just got tons of debris in orbit of the sun here. And obviously, because this is a small solar system as well, it doesn't like destroy my computer as easy because it's running stuff in a lot smaller area, which is good. I don't know if that helps out or not, but I'm assuming it does. Okay, some of the objects have been torn or thrown into Saturn there, or what's left of its rings. There's now just one big ring around the sun, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so okay, how's everyone else doing? So all the objects are getting melted pretty much, and Planet 9 is decreasing in temperature, so it's getting further away, and Sedna is as well. It's all the way up here now. Okay, so let's go a little more crazy. Let's speed up to 1 day a second. So yes, that's going to be pretty crazy now. It's still running pretty well, so that's good. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on the I don't want to press that right. We'll keep an eye on here. You can see that every single object pretty much is glowing hot, except from Sedna, this dwarf planet here, Planet 9, Ceres, and that's it. Because obviously Ceres, remember, doesn't reflects a lot of light, so it's not going to get too hot. But even reflecting 99% of the light you receive, that 1% has made Ceres 588 degrees Celsius. Because obviously there's no atmosphere or surface pressure, as you can see right here. So yeah, the only thing heating this up is the sun. So that's good. And looks like Saturn's rings are now just one ring around the sun. Like if we disable the orbits quick, yeah, they're just a ring around the sun now. So that's pretty cool. I won't add any more though, because we don't want to get too crazy. But yeah, that's that. So I think to make things even more crazy, to cause more drama here, let's do what we did originally, and let's select all the objects again and shrink it even more. Look at all these objects. So wow. Okay, so let's go to oh, it's on power. Yeah, powers, and then press this one here, and then shrink again. So let's put Jupiter really close to the sun, because Jupiter will be torn apart, but might as well shrink it even more. So let's do that. Well, it's all like bugging out when I press this. Oh, Jupiter and Saturn are going to have a collision as well. Oh, wow, this is crazy. I like the way the ring ones aren't changing now, but as you can see, all these objects are very, very close now. As you see, Planet 9 has been pulled all the way from there, so everything is very, very close now. No longer in the red zone, they're all closer than the red zone to the sun, so that's not good. So let's, so where is Jupiter? Okay, oh, that's Uranus. Wait, where is, okay, here we go. So Jupiter and Saturn are going to have a collision. They're clearly in paths to do it, and Uranus and Neptune as well. They may have a collision, since, as you can see, they're very, very close. Yeah, that's that. So let's disable the trails again. Let's delete all those rings so we don't get too much lag here. Let's go on trails, and actually, no, wait, let's disable that. So as you can see, all the objects here are very, very close together. But if we just go to the most safe place right now, which is probably Planet 9, and then we go to its pretty much North Pole. Is this the North? Yeah, this is, wait, is this, wait. Okay, no, this is the North Pole, because the South Pole, if we go to the south here, and then we look upwards, there we go, right about there, you can see that Mayhem is about to go down. As you can see, we can see Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune as well, all about to have a fight to the death with the sun involved as well, which is going to be the peacekeeper. Actually, the sun, it's not even the peacekeeper, it's just going to incinerate them all. All of these planets right now are too close to the sun will just tear them up. And actually, to make things easier to see for you guys, I'll turn off the glows so we can do that. Okay, now we can see a lot easier what's going on here. So let's disable that. And let's slow down time to a few minutes again. So let's do 2 minutes a second, hit play. So as we can see, this is stuff is about to go down. So let's speed this up, and there we go. The sun is tearing them up. It doesn't even look like Jupiter and Saturn will hit each other because the sun is just tearing them up. Same with Uranus and Neptune. Wow, they are getting small. Look at Uranus is already almost the size of Earth. Same with Neptune there. And how's Jupiter and Saturn doing? So Jupiter is now, yeah, okay. Jupiter's now the size of Earth, smaller than Earth. So as we can see here, Planet 9 is now the largest planet in the solar system. So if we look at our second largest, which is now Neptune, because it's obviously the furthest away, so it's been torn up the slowest. If we compare it to what Earth used to be, or yeah, what Earth usually is, yeah, Earth is bigger than these guys now. So the sun has literally just shredded these poor planets into nothing. Jupiter is now nothing. Like, there's nothing left. And then if we check out probably Pluto. How's Pluto doing? So Pluto's very close as well. Wow. Whoa, what's all this? Wait, is this all debris being torn away from Pluto, or is it colliding? Wait. Oh no, that is being torn out from Pluto, as we can see here. All of this mass here is being torn out. So Pluto's also being destroyed right now. Oh, whoa. What just happened there? It's locked back on there. Alright. Yeah, Pluto's lost size. We can compare it to the original Pluto as well. Let's get the original Pluto right here. Yeah, Pluto's got smaller. So that's good to see. And there's pretty much nothing left of these poor old gas giants now. They're still made of hydrogen, but there's nothing left. Okay, so if we go to trails again, as we can see, every single object here is in massive trouble except from Planet 9 and Sedna. Even though they're starting to warm up, they're still much further away than these guys are. So let's do it even more while the simulation is running. So if we select all the objects again, let's go to show, no, it's power, then press that. So then shrink the system again. Let's pull Sedna and Planet 9 to the very danger zones now. So let's pull them in. So right about here. Come on. Also Neptune, you can see the orbits have just changed there. Oh, and Planet 9 is about to go in because of its strangely shaped orbit. Because Planet 9's orbit is not a complete oval, it is about to go straight into the sun. It's not even going to get torn up. It's just going straight in. Let's pause it, and I think the same will happen with Sedna, I want to say. Will it? Okay, yeah, Sedna's going in, and Planet 9 is. So it looks like there's only going to be one survivor, which is this tiny little fragment here. Everything else is about to collide with the sun, it looks like. So let's watch this poor old little Planet 9 here. Well, it's actually the largest planet but still, but let's see as this poor gas giant is about to have a collision with the mighty sun. So we'll put it in super slow-mo here. Oh, and the sun's changed temperature. The sun's really hot now. It's gone blue. Okay, oh, the computer's slowing down. But look at that explosion. That's just so beautiful to look at. And then we're only looking at 8 seconds a second here, so that's pretty crazy. And it's gone. That huge explosion from Planet 9. You can see all the other impacts here from all the other objects. And Sedna is about to go in as well, so we'll catch that as well. Oh my god, look at that. Imagine just standing on the north of Sedna right now, land on it, and just seeing this huge blue star in the sky covering literally over half the sky, I want to say, almost, which is crazy to think about. Imagine this in real life. Like, that would be ridiculously crazy. Yeah, because all the impacts, or all of the things that have hit the sun, it's actually increased the sun's temperature. So there we go. Sedna has gone. Don't know why it didn't make an explosion. That's kind of weird. But there we go. So who's remaining now? Okay, so it's just a bunch of fragments. All of the original objects are gone. Wait, hang on. No. Neptune is still here. My favourite mighty planet, or what's left of it, is still surviving this close to the sun. There's no way this will survive. But is it in a stable orbit? I think it is. It's not on a collision course, which is ridiculous. Wow. Still 3,000 degrees now, but I don't know if it's going to survive. It is still losing. It's still getting smaller. If we look here, look at all of the mass it's losing. Look. If you look at the mass loss, let's reset it. I'm just pressing reset. It just goes straight up again. So that is crazy. And there's no okay, it's no hydrogen left. This is only made of water, iron, and silicate now. So water's going down a lot quicker than the other elements. We see. Look at all that smoke trail, or steam trail, I should say. Cause that's steam, because it's obviously water. So as you can see, the water's going down. That's why it's steam. What am I saying? That's just like common sense. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But as we can see, my mighty favourite planet has survived. Like, I don't want to shrink it anymore. Like, it's just all going to go into the sun. But there we go. Good old Neptune has survived. Well, it looks like a black hole like that. Wow. Okay, that's cool. But as we can see, the sun is now a monster. But it has lost mass, actually. The sun has lost 0.08% of its original mass. And has it got smaller or not? As well, let's get the normal sun here. It's smaller. No, it's small because the normal sun can pretty much fit in, or it can fit inside the normal sun, which is crazy there. Wow. Okay. So if we go to the chart mode here, let's go to radius. This is all that remains of our old solar systems. There we go. It's got Neptune as a... Wait, is that Neptune? Oh, that's a fragment being torn up. So we've got a bunch of fragments. Where's Neptune? Neptune? Where are you at? Wait, is Neptune gone? Wait, Neptune. Oh no, we lost it. Wait, I can't see it. Oh no, it is still here. Okay, it's that one. Okay, so Neptune is now the third smallest object in the solar system. This one's getting torn up now, so let's go to it. It's quite far away from the sun as well. I don't know how it's being torn up. but it still is, so yeah, that's not good. So let's quickly end this off by just speeding it up crazy and see if anything actually survives like a few years on, because we've done 25 years worth of action here, so let's speed up a lot more. And if we go to the search menu, we only have 3 objects left, so Neptune is now gone. And they seem to be okay, I want to say. We're going at 20 days. Okay, let's speed up even more. So we're going at 22 days a second right now. And everything seems good, I want to say. The sun is at 40,000 degrees. Wow, that is hot. Wouldn't want to go near that. But its luminosity has stayed the same. See, just because it gets hotter doesn't mean it gets brighter. Which is an interesting fact if you didn't know. But okay, so let's slow this down. So we have 3 survivors of this dramatic craziness. So let's go and view them again. So where even are they? So let's zoom in on them. They're so small. You can't even see them. Like a tiny little dot. Like that's it. Like if we compare them to how large Earth is, we quickly put another Earth in here. Earth would be. Can we please stop doing that? Okay, so Earth would be this large. But if we zoom, we have to zoom in a lot more to see these tiny guys. These guys are the size of mountains on Earth. Like a little, or Mount Everest is probably a similar size. I don't know its precise height. And I think it's 8,000 kilometers tall. When this thing's only 99.7 kilometers in radius. You got to remember there. So yeah, that is crazy. But anyways, there we go. I think they have survived. They're not getting smaller, any of them. So they have survived the shrinking solar system. But anyway, to end it off, let's just throw them all in. Alright, so let's go to powers here, and let's just shrink again. So shrink, and they're all about to collide with the sun, and there we go, all gone. So all that's left is a lonely sun, and that's it. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video, because this is quite fun actually. So there we go, there's the sun. It's goes just like any other star now in the Milky Way, as you can see right about there. Can you spot the sun still? That's right there. Right, this little one here. But anyways, hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video, because this was very fun to make actually. It's probably the most enjoyable one I've made in ages. But yeah, there you go. So there we go, just fly around the sun now from very far away distance. But yeah, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more, because yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. And see if we can get 300 subs before the end of April. So we've got a whole month to do this. Can we do it? Because yeah, that'd make me very happy, that's for sure. But I wonder if we can. Let's have a flyby by the sun. And yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys all enjoyed the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And there we go. Goodbye, sun. Forever. Anyways, guys, later.